WUKONG Airline. Fly to the succeed.
In this video, a brief introduction of future development plan between 2019 and 2021 will be provided, including the company structure, marketing, KPI goals and future strategy.
Let's introduce the management team of WUKONG Airline.
Hi, I'm Martin, the CEO of WUKONG Airline. I'm in charge of the company strategy, branding, mission and vision and company culture. This is Bruce, the Senior Director of Marketing. He is in charge of the marketing strategy. This is Joey, the Senior Director of Flight Operation. He is responsible for flight scheduling, operation, and maintenance. He is Ash, the Senior Director of Human Resource. He plays a role in recruiting, training and managing the staff. This is Stephanie, the Senior Director of the Finance. She is responsible for the financial report, capital and asset management.
Now, let us talk about WUKONG's target market. Business travelers are our major customers. To be more specific, our target customer, whose age ranges from 30 to 55, have a high position in a company or government. Their price sensitivity is quite low and willing to purchase service on planes. Since we initially started in Singapore, so most of our target customers are likely to come from the Asia-Pacific area. The reason why our target customer is business travelers is due to the statistics we have collected. The chart illustrates that business travelers spend a lot of money on planes. Also, Asia is currently the biggest market for business travel. As we're new airlines, we decide to make a few strategies when we enter the airline industry. Changi Airport in Singapore is our crucial transfer hub, since Singapore has its geographic advantage where it is located between Asia and Pacific. Also, we believe that the Asia-Pacific market has great potential in the future. In the chart of global air passenger by region, we can clearly see the advantages of Asia-Pacific market. In addition, the Asia-Pacific airlines carry most people that can prove their enormous potential. Since good service plays a great role in customer satisfaction, except these compulsory services, such as Wi-Fi, baggage storing, and basic food and beverage, we specially offer a dressing room and meeting zone for the business travelers in the first and business class. Also, the equipment of printing and faxing is available during the flight. More importantly, we offer butler service for our customers. The butler service including pickup service, customized food and beverage, and the hotel booking services, etc., and they should be booked online in advance. Our airline development is divided into 3 stages. As we mentioned before, the first stage is the development of transnational airlines centering on Singapore, with direct flight routes covering major business cities in East Asia, South Asia and Oceania, providing business travelers with faster and more convenient flight experience. Business travel in South and Southeast Asia is the fastest growing region in the world, with 7.2% and 5.9% growth respectively. Therefore, the business tourism market in this region has great development potential, and we will cultivate loyal customers in this stage. The second stage is the European route, connecting major European commercial cities with Asia. Asian countries, led by China, have increasingly close business ties with Europe, and this route has great potential for development. The third stage will develop the routes from Europe to the east and west coast of the United States, connecting Asia, Europe and America by routes and forming the global business routes.
Finally, some of KPIs will be used to evaluate our company's performance. At the first half year, our company tried to create a high load factor. However, in fact, because we still need some time to follow the track of the market, so our RASK will be at 10.2 cents and CASK will be at 9.8 cents. We have to open up the market, attract more potential travelers and build brand image. For example, we use predatory pricing to get quickly market share, which means we will sell tickets at a low level and gain less profit. At the second half year, the RASK will increase constantly to 15 cents and the CASK will decrease to 9 cents because we will expand our routes and adjust airfares at a reasonable level. We will also use market strategies such as FFP to keep customer loyalty. Then, the following year, our company will step in the right direction. The RASK will jump from 16.8 to 18 cents. At the same time, the CASK will decline from 8.5 to 7.5 cents. In order to increase profits, we plan to expand new market and fly more international routes. In addition, we also will delete some unprofitable routes to save money. As for our net profit, it will increase gradually from $75,000 to $465,862 in the next 2 years. Here are some non-financial KPIs over the next 2 years. In the first quarter of 2019, the total passenger volume is expected to be about 5,000, and then, from the second quarter to the first quarter of 2020, the passenger numbers will increase steadily to over 120,000 with a growth rate of over 90%. After entering 2020, the growth rate will slow down to below 50% and finally achieve the transportation volume of 150,000 passengers in 2 years. Due to the lower training costs, the company will mainly purchase aircraft from Airbus. It is expected to operate 30 Airbus aircrafts of different models by the end of 2020. In order to meet the demand for aircraft types on different routes, the company will purchase Boeing's various types of aircraft from 2020, and it is estimated that 20 aircraft will be purchased. In total, WUKONG Airlines will have a scale of nearly 50 aircraft in the next 2 years, and this number is continually growth. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to cooperating with you.